Look at what I just installed under this desk. This will go definitely in the office, but I wanted to show you in kind of this setting right here. This is a walking pad, or what I consider to be a full-fledged treadmill, because if your pace is 3.8 miles an hour, yes, you can run to that, because that's the maximum speed that this thing can do. It actually comes with a remote, which is really nice. So you turn on, turn off. So I'm going to actually 3, 2, 1. It's going to tell me that it's going to start. And right then and there, it's about a 0.5, 0.6 miles an hour. Right now it's 0.6 miles an hour. And I can go faster, of course, which I'm doing right now. I'm at a 3 mile an hour rate. I feel like 3.8 is a little harder for me to type at a computer, to actually do some work. But a 3 miles an hour rate is actually, look at this space. Very, very nice space. The treadmill, I was afraid at first that it wouldn't be as wide as I wanted, because, you know, some people kind of feel always like, oh, I need a big, big mat to be running on or walking on. Not the case. This is exactly what I'd want to be stepping on. And speaking of stepping on, look how quiet it is. And the really nice thing is that this thing, and I'm just turning it off right now, and when you turn it off, it slowly comes to a halt, which is also great for you, so you don't have to be jolted into stopping. And the really nice thing is the padding on this thing, because, and I will wait until it stops entirely, because you can actually feel these layers of padding, anti-friction, anti-static as well, all there. So that's a really, really nice feature to have that under your feet, you know, for long days work, but also for a nice little workout. And speaking of workout, you can do it just like I did, bare feet with wearing socks, or nothing at all. Or with shoes, of course, it can withstand that as well. Super easy to use, very, very convenient with the remote as well. But I just love the fact that, you know, no matter the type of work you're doing, you can always keep on moving. And if you want to get those steps in, it will also calculate right there on the screen the total mileage that you're doing, and also the calorie count that you're going to be spending, which is a nice thing. Again, great. They even provide you with the little oil. So that's the anti-friction oil that you just add under the pad on each side. A couple of drops will do, depending on how often you use it, but you will be able to hear it when you feel that friction a little too much. Just a couple of drops, let it run, and away you go. It is right out of the box, no install needed, plug and play. Legitimately huge fans of this one.